Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your daily reading, guys, we'll be picking few cards. Before we start the reading, Gemini, I would like to thank you all for your support, and I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings lot of happiness, success and prosperity in our lives, guys. Gemini, so these are for our daily reading, Gemini. For our career situation, this is the card. For the relationship situation, this is the card. So I will open these cards now, guys. First, let's start with the daily reading, Gemini. It's page of Suns in reverse, 5 of Spears and 10 of Stars in reverse. So these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. So with this card, I see that you are doing lot of work, lot of efforts to in your career or in your personal life. So you are putting in tremendous efforts to make things go in the right way. For some of you, it may progress in a positive way. For some of you, you may see some delays or some kind of obstacles in your career situation, or these cards may relate to your personal life situation also, guys. And in your situation today, guys, Gemini, I see that some people are there whom you cannot trust. So this person is trying to lead you into some kind of fraudulent schemes. Someone who may pose as your friend. You need to be really careful, guys. So they may try to involve you in something, some fraudulent activities. You have to be really careful with them. And I also see that today things are improving, guys. In your situation, you may see that slowly things are falling into place. It may be something to do in your career or in your personal life. You may begin to have that clarity in your situation, understanding with this person. So that is what I see, guys, Gemini. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. It's Master of Moons in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, just like we saw with the previous cards, there are people trying to oppose you, work against you. So an unstable person who does not have that clarity and does not have the skill or talents, they are with you. So again, their lack of that effort and talent may affect you, guys. So you need to be careful when you go in for some kind of partnerships or collaborations. Think twice before you take that next step. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's 7 of Spears. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, maybe with this person, you just want to take time to think before you take that next step. Maybe it may be because your past is haunting you, or you are afraid that things may go again in the same way, the same story repeating again and again in your relationship. So you just want to take time, have that clarity before you make that important decisions. Or you may be going on a break, maybe a holiday, guys, Gemini. That is also what I see with this card, guys, for your relationship. And that is the reading for today, Gemini. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.